Hey Homespot friends, welcome back. If you have old branches lying around, do not throw them away yet. Today we are turning simple, weathered wood into rustic plant stands that look warm, handmade, and seriously eye-catching in a small garden. Stay with me and you will see smart shapes, strong joints, and easy styling that elevates any pot. Today we are building a rustic tripod plant stand from 3 fallen branches. This project turns simple yard waste into a stable pedestal that instantly elevates any pot. I will show how to choose similar thickness wood, balance the legs, and tie strong jute knots. The final look is warm, natural, and surprisingly elegant. This leaning ladder stand is perfect when you want vertical height without complex tools. Using 2 long branches and short rungs, you can create multiple resting points for small pots and hanging hooks. It is lightweight, easy to move, and looks great against a fence in a small garden. The charm comes from uneven bark and simple twine lashings. An X-frame stand looks like a designer piece, but it is built from 2 sturdy branches crossed with a simple pin joint. The top gets a ring or loop that cradles the pot, so it stays centered. This idea is great for showcasing succulents or herbs on a garden path. Clean geometry plus wild texture makes it stand out. Small spaces deserve beautiful plant displays too. This corner-fit branch stand uses vertical branch posts and small shelves to create a compact footprint with big visual impact. It lets you stack greenery upward while keeping the ground clear. In a small garden corner, it feels intentional and cozy. The mix of reclaimed wood and bark makes it warmly rustic. Combining branches with macrame creates a light, airy stand that still feels grounded and natural. A branch beam becomes the structure, and the hanging pots add movement when a breeze passes through. This is a great way to show multiple small plants in one spot. The woven knots and raw wood textures give a relaxed, boho, rustic vibe. Nature already designs great shapes, and a fork branch is one of the best for plant stands. You will learn how to stabilize the base, adjust the angle, and seat a pot securely in the fork. This stand feels sculptural, like it grew there. It is perfect for a single feature plant you want to highlight in a small garden. A multi-tier tower lets you display several plants in one vertical piece, perfect for tight garden spaces. With 4 branch legs and 3 staggered platforms, you can create a balanced composition that feels like a living sculpture. Each level can hold a different plant size and color. The irregular branch lines keep it organic while the tiers feel intentional. Not every plant stand has to be tall. These mini tabletop stands use small branch pieces and thin twigs to lift tiny pots just a few inches. The result is cute, flexible, and ideal for succulents or seedlings. You can make several in one session using scraps. Grouped together, they create a charming little rustic display in a small garden. A live edge wood slice top instantly adds a handcrafted, natural focal point. Supported by 3 branch legs, it becomes a simple but striking plant pedestal. You will see how to keep the top level and choose a slice with beautiful grain. This stand works great for lush plants with big leaves. It feels timeless, like a piece of woodland furniture. A cage-style stand looks intricate, yet can be built from straight branches and thin twig rings. The open frame lets light pass through, and the pot appears to float inside like a lantern. This is a statement piece for a small garden bed, especially near rocks and broadleaf plants. The airy structure keeps it elegant while staying rustic. pedestal stand gives your plant a proud, elevated stage. Using a thick central branch, a cross base, and a simple top ring, you create a sturdy column that feels bold and rustic. This design works best for heavier clay pots and aromatic plants like rosemary. The rough cuts and bark details keep it handmade, while the shape looks clean and confident. An A-frame leaning stand is a great way to build height with stability. The triangle silhouette looks strong, and you can add small platforms for multiple pots without taking much ground space. Lean it against a wall in a small garden, and it becomes a vertical plant feature. The uneven branch lines add character, and the cascading plants soften the structure beautifully. A circular holder made from flexible twig strips creates a clean shape that contrasts beautifully with rough branch legs. The ring centers the pot and gives the whole stand a crafted, intentional look. This is a great project for using thin offcuts and practicing neat lashings. In a small garden with gravel, it feels simple, tidy, and naturally elegant. For an outdoor-ready version, we will make a weathered branch stand that can handle patio life. Light charring or sealing deepens the wood tones and helps it resist moisture. Set it in a small garden after rain, and the textures look dramatic and rich. This build keeps the rustic feel while adding durability, so your eco-friendly stand lasts longer. Now you have seen how old branches can become cheap, stunning, eco-friendly plant stands, from simple tripod builds to taller ladder and multi-tier designs. The key is choosing solid branches, making stable bases, and using clean lashings or pegs so the stand feels secure and intentional. If you enjoyed this rustic garden makeover, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which design you want to build first.